Hi, it's Dave with DRH Acrylic Creation, and today we're going to be doing a split cup as part of a challenge, our January challenge for Kathleen's Cause Creations, to fit into a room that she's assigned to us, and hopefully it matches the color and the vibe of the room. What I've done today is I've got a split cup. It's the new Fiona convertible, which are modular split cup. And I got to tell you, well, you're going to see it here in just a minute, but I got to tell you, I'm really happy with it. I'm not a real split cup kind of guy. So I want to get you down. We'll talk about the colors and we'll get started. So let's get to it. And today we're going to try a straight pour using a new cup that I just got. It's a variation of what you always see with the split cups, but this is Fiona's convertible cup because it allows you to decide how many chambers you want to have, and these little walls divide everything up so you can choose. So it's my first time using this. I'm thinking it's going to work just fine. We'll see. We're working on a 10 by 20 inch canvas, the inch and a half and galley wrapped. It's been painted and prep. I painted the sides already to make sure that I get coverage. My colors for today are going to be black. That's Amsterdam. That's Amsterdam carbon black. This is the golden bronze with some TLP gilded. This is golden Naples yellow with TLP gilded. This is Arteza. This is Arteza Bordeaux red, and this is PBO blue green, iridescent blue green. So these three have some sparkle to them, and these two are just plain tube paints. So I've got some separation color. This is Amsterdam titanium white. We'll see if I use it or not. So I'm going to load this cup up. I'm going to put you on music, and we're going to get started. If you enjoy my content, now would be a great time to hit that subscribe button, ring the bell for notifications, and of course share to any friends you think might be interested. Hey, thanks for being here. Let's get back to it. The pouring medium for today is comprised of 50% American Floetrol and 50% Liquitex pouring medium, with a little bit of just a shot of GAC 800 to help with the binding. Okay, that was fun. It's not quite what I was hoping for, but you know what? It is got its aspects, and I really am loving some of the interplay in some of these colors. Go down and take a closer look. I'm glad I painted the sides because some of my corners didn't quite get covered, but that sides didn't quite get covered. But I'm a digging on the mixing of the bronze and the Naples yellow, and I'm sure there's going to be a lot of bling in this because that's all three colors that are predominant here, other than the black and the Bordeaux red, has sparkles in them. So, you know, I don't think I can say that I hate that cup. I think it's my favorite split cup I've ever worked with. So hey, thumbs up for Fiona and this cup. I'm kind of digging on it. You can get that cup, by the way, at fluidart.co. And I got to tell you, if you haven't used fluidart.co, they are fast, they're efficient, and I just love everything they do. So, well, let me know what you think down in the comments on how this piece came out. It has another stage to go through before I'm done with it, but I'm going to let this dry. We'll see how it goes. Okay, what you're seeing below is the dried results. I'm not happy with this piece at all. It seems a little busy to me in hindsight, but I'm gonna live with it for just a little bit and maybe revisit it with some modifications. But I'll show you that in another video. I want to thank you very much for being here, and I really hope that you got something out of this. So, until next time, bye for now.